spot for 4x4s. We're gonna go out and enjoy this beautiful snow. We're gonna go and explore. Exploration. That's on Minecraft. Ooh, ooh, ooh!
Make it donuts.
No, no donuts, please. Thank you. Ida. You are crazy.
Those neighbors are like, what the what?
I know, right? Like, what is wrong with the people? There's a car coming and you can barely see it. It's just really thick out.
What's up, guys? Okay, so we're like outside. We're trying to help people. They're like stuck inside a ditch. And we're helping them. And I hope we get them out. And yeah, so my dad already went down to go get him. This is good because we have a 4x4, so that means we can pull him out, right, Mom? So here's the footage. My dad over there. Hold on. I think they see me recording, bro. To be honest.
No, say that hello.
Look, 3 people are here.
Yeah.
The people are right there, and they're the ones that are stuck. So here we are. That's his car stuck in the ditch. Now they're just putting the rope on there so then they can drive out safely. No, come on. Put it over. I hope he doesn't see me. El otro sí.
Well, you're just trying to get some stuff like. Yeah, there you go.
Daddy. Let's try. Come on. He's been on there, Mom. Oh, hopefully we can pick him up. Oh, doggy! Okay, back to where I was supposed to go. Yay! This is really strong.
Yay! We did it!
Yay! This is good about having 4x4s. So guys, if you have 4x4s, if you have a 4x4, please help those people that need help with your 4x4. So you see, we help them. And they're happy now. What do you guys say, Mommy?
I'm so happy. I feel so good.
I know.
I want to cry.
I prayed to Jesus. What are you doing? Recording? What are you doing? This is our driveway. It is covered in snow. Look at that footprint. It is so tiny. That is so freaky. What the heck was that?
Yo, I feel bad for our house.
I forgot to mention we are out of power.
So we're running to my grandma's house to eat there. Yay!
Look at all the snow. Started melting.
Started melting.
Oh man.
That's good. Let it melt.
So we don't have air in like forever? Oh man.
These are all the tree branches that fell last night. The sound was terrifying. It was very scary. But we made it through the night. Thank you, Lord. Look at how thick. He froze. There's some more tree branches that fell in the back of the house. Thank God, not one of them hit our house. We never have snow in Georgia, so it gets really crazy when we do. Everyone starts to panic. It'd be crazy out on the roads. We tried helping some people yesterday because we have like a 4x4 truck, and then we went out yesterday just to see if anyone needed any help, anyone who was trying to get home that were coming from work or whatever, but none of them accepted our help. Oh well, they're lost. We tried. But it's really beautiful out though. Because today is Saturday and we don't have to cook.
Lazy.
Thank you, baby.
The whole thing, shrimp. I shrimp.
What do you mean eel shrimp? You don't like shrimp. Daddy likes shrimp.
I hate shrimp.
My taco salad. What Daisy's eating. Dang, girlfriend, you gonna finish all that food? Alex, like always, just chicken nuggets and fries.